In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from a family account on Cash App. First, open your Cash App and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, scroll down and select Support. In the search bar, type in Account Ownership and click on the first option that comes up. You'll see some instructions explaining that if the person turns 18, they can create their own Cash App account and will no longer be part of your family account. But if that's not the case and you just want to remove someone manually, you'll need to contact Cash App support. Scroll to the bottom and tap Contact or Chat. Here, explain your issue clearly. For example, mention the person you want to remove and that you do not want them in your family account. Support will review your request and let you know whether it's possible and how long it will take to process. Once they approve your request, the person will be removed from the family account, and they'll no longer have access to shared funds or family features. And that's it. That's how you can remove someone from your family account on Cash App. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.